everyone, welcome to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Monitoring video. Today, we will explore the essential aspects of monitoring Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and understand its significance in maintaining a robust and reliable cloud environment. Cloud computing comes with complexities that can make or break your digital endeavors. Monitoring OCI is crucial for performance, security, and scalability. We need to monitor resources closely, identify bottlenecks, and optimize architecture to meet business demands. In this video, we'll explore OCI monitoring tools and best practices for managing your cloud infrastructure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Overview. OCI consists of a collection of cloud services that empower me to develop and deploy a wide range of applications and services in a resilient hosted environment. Oracle provides both enterprise software solutions and a comprehensive cloud infrastructure platform. I can use OCI to build, deploy, and manage applications in a highly available environment. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offers a seamless range of components for building a robust and efficient cloud infrastructure. Oracle offerings include compute instances, storage options, networking resources, database services, and security tools tailored to your business needs. Network, servers, storage, and virtualization are all essential components of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for deploying applications and services. Migrating to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offers several benefits, including reduced costs, increased agility, and improved security and compliance. By leveraging OCI, we can eliminate the need for capital expenditures on hardware and software, reduce operational expenses, and scale our resources up or down as needed. Understanding the benefits of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is crucial to making informed decisions about our cloud strategy. With OCI, we can focus on developing innovative applications and services rather than managing complex infrastructure. We'll also gain access to advanced security features, high-performance computing, and real-time analytics, enabling us to drive business growth and stay ahead of the competition. Monitoring Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is crucial for managing its performance, security, and overall health. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of monitoring OCI, the different types of monitoring, and effective monitoring strategies. Why Oracle Cloud Infrastructure monitoring is most important. Monitoring is crucial to ensure the reliability and efficiency of your OCI. It allows you to identify potential issues before they become major problems, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall system performance. Cloud monitoring assesses the health of cloud-based IT infrastructures. Cloud monitoring tools help organizations proactively monitor their cloud environments for issues that could affect the end-user experience. When it comes to monitoring your OCI, there are two primary approaches: reactive and proactive. Reactive monitoring involves responding to issues as they arise, whereas proactive monitoring involves anticipating and preventing potential problems. Reactive monitoring focuses on detecting and responding to issues after they occur. On the other hand, proactive monitoring involves continuous monitoring and analysis to identify potential issues before they become major problems. Reactive monitoring focuses on detecting issues after they occur and responding to problems as they arise. It is primarily troubleshooting-oriented, but may lead to downtime and lost productivity. On the other hand, proactive monitoring anticipates and prevents potential issues, identifies problems before they occur, and is focused on prevention and optimization. It helps ensure high availability and performance. Infrastructure monitoring is crucial for ensuring the reliability and efficiency of our OCI. By implementing a proactive monitoring strategy, we can identify potential issues before they become major problems, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall system performance. Proactive monitoring helps us stay ahead of potential issues, enabling us to optimize resource allocation and improve system performance. For example, assume that you're using proactive monitoring and your OCI is experiencing a sudden increase in traffic. With proactive monitoring, you would have detected the increased traffic earlier and taken steps to prevent downtime, ensuring high availability and performance. When it comes to monitoring Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, it's essential to utilize a combination of tools and techniques to gain comprehensive visibility into your cloud resources. The Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Console provides a user-friendly interface for monitoring and managing your resources. Additionally, Oracle Enterprise Manager offers advanced monitoring capabilities to ensure optimal performance and availability. Furthermore, leveraging third-party tools can further enhance your monitoring capabilities by providing additional insights and functionalities. The Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Console provides a user-friendly interface to access real-time metrics and logs for your cloud resources. It offers a centralized dashboard for monitoring and managing your cloud resources, allowing you to quickly identify and address any issues that may arise. Oracle Enterprise Manager helps infrastructure administrators monitor and manage Oracle Cloud infrastructure resources. This tool offers customizable dashboards and alerts for advanced monitoring of your cloud environment. It also helps you monitor and analyze metrics and logs for Oracle Cloud infrastructure resources, aiding in issue identification and troubleshooting. Additionally, you can use Oracle Enterprise Manager to monitor your on-premises infrastructure and unify your IT environment. Enterprise IT teams often require more specialized monitoring capabilities, which is where third-party monitoring tools come into play. These tools, such as New Relic or Datadog, integrate with your Oracle Cloud infrastructure resources and provide advanced monitoring and analytics capabilities. Use synthetic transaction monitoring and application performance monitoring with third-party tools for a comprehensive view of your cloud environment. Gain insight into your Oracle Cloud infrastructure resources and enhance their performance with these tools and techniques. Organizations often struggle with optimizing their Oracle Cloud infrastructure monitoring setup. This is commonly a result of unclear goals, inadequate alerting, and poorly defined KPIs. Ensure effective monitoring by following best practices. Practical alerting and notification strategies are crucial for prompt issue detection and resolution. Setting up alerts for critical events, such as resource shortages or security breaches, and defining clear escalation procedures to ensure that the right teams are notified in a timely manner is essential. Monitoring for availability and latency, application uptime and downtime, completed transactions, failed and successful operations, and key performance indicators, KPIs, such as sales and engagement quantifiers, is vital for maintaining a robust Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Defining key performance indicators, KPIs. Defining KPIs is crucial for monitoring. I need to identify and monitor key metrics such as response times, CPU usage, and storage capacity for anomalies and trends. Meaningful and actionable metrics are essential for successful KPI definition. For example, in an e-commerce platform, KPIs include order processing times, payment success rates, and average page load times. Tracking metrics improves user experience by identifying areas for optimization. It's important to regularly update and modify KPIs for relevance and effectiveness. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on cloud computing, career guidance, tech industry insights, and software development tips. Thanks for watching.